Hello students, today we will learn about Bresenham's line triangle algorithm. Before discussing this topic, we will discuss little bit about the DDA line triangle algorithm. In previous video, we have done numericals on DDA line triangle algorithm. There are some limitations of DDA line triangle algorithm. We will understand it by an example. So, limitations of DDA line drawing algorithm. Suppose coordinates are 4, 7.2. So in DDA algorithm, what we will do? We will round off this value and it will come 7. Suppose x coordinate is 3.8 and it is 9. So what we will do in DDA line drawing algorithm, we will round off this one and it will come 4. So if we are getting the decimal numbers, so what we do? We round off these values. So computation time is more. But in Bresenham's line drawing algorithm, we always get the integer value. So there is no round off issue. In this video, first we will do the numerical, then after that we will write the general algorithm. Now we will solve a numerical. Question is, line coordinates are x1, y1 and x2, y2. Coordinates are x1, y1 are 5, 4 and x2, y2 are 15, 12. First is dx. Dx is x2 minus x1, 15 minus 5, it is 10, dy equal to y2 minus y1, 12 minus 4, it is 8. This is x axis, this is y axis and it is a line segment A, B and its coordinates are x1, y1, x2, y2. So how to calculate the slope? We will calculate dy, change in y. It is y2, it is y1. So I am writing here, this is dy and it is x1, x2 and it is dx. So slope is dy by dx. Dy is 8 and dx is 10. So slope is less than 1. So use formula P0 equal to 2 dy minus dx we know dx equal to 10 and dy equal to 8. So P0 is 2 into 8 minus 10 equal to 6. So number is 0, P value is 6. Initial coordinates are 5, 4. Now calculate P1. P1 equal to P0 plus 2 dy minus 2 dx. We will use this formula if previous value is positive. P naught is 6 plus 16 minus 20 equal to 2. So we will write here it is 1, P1 value is 2. So P1 value is positive. If it is positive or negative, there will be increment in x. It is 5, so there will be increment of 1 in x. It will be 6. It is positive, so there will be increment of 1 in y. So it will be 5. Then calculate P2. It is positive. So P1 plus 2 dy minus 2 dx, it is 2 minus 4 equal to minus 2. So it is 2, value of P2 is minus 2. So there will be increment of 1 in x, it will be 7. And in y there will be no increment because it is negative. So it will be 5. Now calculate P3. P3 equal to P2 plus 2 dy. Now formula is changed because P2 is negative, it will come here. So we are using 3 formulas, this one and this one. So P3 is minus 2 plus 2 into 8 equal to 14. Value is 14. It is positive. There will be increment of 1 in x, it will be 8. It is positive, so y will also increase by 1, it will be 6. Now we will calculate P4. P4 equal to P3 plus 2 dy minus 2 dx equal to 14 minus 4 equal to 10. So P4 is 10, 8 plus 1 9, it is positive. So there will be increment of 1 in y, it will be 7. Then P5 equal to P4 plus 2 dy minus 2 dx, it will come here. So P4 is 10 plus minus 4, it will be 6. So it is 5, P5 value is 6, it will be 10, it is positive. So there will be increment in y, it will be 8. Then P6 equal to P5 plus 2 dy minus 2 dx, 6 minus 4 equal to 2. P6 value is 2, so it will be 11 and it is positive. So there will be increment in y, it will be 9. Then P7 equal to P6 plus 2 dy minus 2 dx, P6 is 2 minus 4 equal to minus 2. So P7 value is minus 2. There will be increment in x, it will be 12 and it is negative. So, there will be no increment in y, it will be 9. Now, we will calculate P8, P9, P10. P8 equal to P7 plus 2 dy minus 2 plus 16 equal to 14. 8, 14, it will be 13, it is positive, so it will be 10. Then P9 equal to P8 plus 2 dy minus 2 dx, it will come here 14 minus 4 equal to 10. P9 value is 10, it will be 14, it is positive, so it will increase, it will be 11. Then last is P10 equal to P9 plus 2 dy minus 2 dx. So, it will come here, it is 10 minus 4 equal to 6. 10, P10 value is 6, it will be 15, it is positive, so it will increase by 1, 12. So, this is the initial coordinates, it is the final coordinates. Now, we will locate these points on the screen. We are assuming this is a computer screen on which numbers are starting from left and it is increasing towards right, and it is also increasing towards top, but in actual numbering is from top to bottom and left to right. So, our axis is towards this direction, we are taking positive, and is towards y direction we are taking positive. Now, we will know how to locate the position of a pixel. Suppose this is the position of the pixel 2, 2 and it is 2, and this is the location of the pixel. So, first point is 5, 4, 5 and 4, 5 and 4, this pixel. Second 6, 5, 6, 5, 7, 5, 7, 5, 8, 6, 8, 6, 9, 7, 9, 7, 10, 8, 10, 8, 11, 9, 11, 9, 12, 9, 12, 9, 13, 10, 13, 10, 14, 11, 14, 11, 15, 12, 15, 12, 'So, line will pass through these pixels we are not seeing it is a straight line, but when we will zoom out it will look like a straight line. Now after solving numerical, we will write a general case. Case 1 is case 1 when slope is between 0 degree and 45 degree. Mod m less than 1. Point 1, input the two line and points as x1 comma y1 and x2 comma y2. Point 2, compute initial values dx equal to x2 minus x1, dy equal to y2 minus y1, and p0 equal to 2 dy minus dx. P is a decision variable. Point 3, set x y equal to lower left hand and lower left hand and point and x and equal to large value of x. Large value of x. If dx less than 0, then x equal to x2, y equal to y2, and x and equal to x1. If dx greater than 0, then x equal to x1, y equal to y1, and x and equal to x2. Point 4, plot a point at current xy coordinate. Point 5, test to see if the entire line has been drawn. If x equal to x and stop. Point 6, compute the location of next pixel compute the location of next pixel. First, if pi less than 0, then pi plus 1 equal to pi plus 2 dy, and yi plus 1 equal to yi. Second, if pi greater than equal to 0, then pi plus 1 equal to pi plus 2 dy minus dx, and yi plus 1 equal to yi plus 1. 7. Increment x, for example, xi plus 1 equal to xi plus 1. Point 8. Go to step 4. Go to step 4. Now we will write for the another case. Case 2. When slope m theta is greater than 45 and less than 90 degree. Point 1. Input the two line and points as x1 comma y1 and x2 comma y2. Point 2. Now dx equal to x2 minus x1, dy equal to y2 minus y1, p0 equal to 2 dx minus dy. Point 3. Set xy equal to lower left hand and point and y and equal to large value of y. If dy less than 0, then x equal to x2, y equal to y2, and y and equal to y1. If dy greater than 0, then x equal to x1, y equal to y1, and y and equal to y2. Point 4 plot point at current xy coordinates Point 5 test to see if the entire line has been drawn. If y equal to y and then stop. Point 6 compute location of next pixel. Compute location of next pixel. If pi less than 0, then pi plus 1 equal to pi plus 2 dx and xi plus 1 equal to xi. Second, if pi greater than equal to 0, then pi plus 1 equal to pi plus 2 dx minus dy and xi plus 1 equal to xi plus 1. 7 increment y i plus 1 equal to yi plus 1. Point 8 go to step 4. There is one more case. If slope is negative, the procedure is similar except that one coordinate increases, the other decreases. So this was all about Bressenham's line triangle algorithm. Thank you.